beautiful people, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video on my channel. Today I will be taking you through my evening routine. I realized that in most of my vlogs I have shown you my morning routine, but I have never talked about what I do after work, before going to bed and things like that. So I thought I would dedicate an entire video to that. So welcome here. I hope you enjoy this video because I love my time after work. The time between getting off work and going to sleep is my favorite. So I'm very precious about my time after work. I usually get off work around 7:30, and the first thing I do after getting off work is usually just sit here, right here, and scroll through my phone on Instagram, or I'll watch some video on YouTube or something like that. I usually save all my videos to watch after work because for some reason I can't relax in between work, so I always watch it after work. Which reminds me, if you have any YouTuber recommendations, please leave them in the comments because I am in search of new content to watch. I am really bored of the channels that I'm watching right now. Nothing feels appealing anymore. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments. Like watching videos similar to what I make on YouTube. So anything homely, homebody, home related, or cozy videos, those are the kind of videos I love watching. Some of the channels that I watch are Michelle Choi. She is a Korean American who lives in New York, and she makes videos about her life in New York, which is really interesting. She's an introvert just like me, but her life is way more aesthetic and interesting. I still watch Zoella, by the way. So I started watching her when I was a teenager, and now she is a mother of 2 kids, and I still love watching her videos. Her vlogs are just comforting. It's very familiar, so I love watching her as well. And I also like her Happy Face, Indian YouTuber, and she makes cozy vlogs and very relatable as well. So I like watching her as well. Very interesting. I was out of some essential skincare, so I placed an order on Nykaa yesterday, and today they are here. So I thought I would open with you all. Every few months I have to make a big order on Nykaa. By big, I don't mean a lot of products, but a lot means products that are a little bit more on the higher end. So this was that order, but the upside to this is that for the next couple of months I don't have to think about getting anything from Nykaa. The first thing is, of course, sunscreen. This one is the Dot & Key Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen, SPF 50, broad spectrum always. I was out of my favorite toner, so I got another one of this. This is the Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. This is another variant of the same toner. I was looking for an alternative for this, but to be honest, even though this is on the higher end, the first bottle that I got lasted me for more than 2 months, which is really amazing. So I thought, why not get this? It will last me probably another 2.5 months. And I use it day and night. So I was out of my retinol and as well as my niacinamide. So this time I got the ordinary niacinamide, 10% zinc, 1%. This is what I use in the daytime, and I upped the retinol dosage. I went for 0.3% retinol, and this one is my minimalist. Retinol I use at night, and niacinamide I use in the morning during the day. I'm gonna make some dinner right now. Usually we have Didi who comes in and makes lunch and dinner for us, but today she's on leave, so naturally I'm gonna make the dinner. Because I'm filming today, I'm gonna make something interesting. I'm gonna make pasta with chicken. I have some pre-marinated chicken over here. I usually make steak out of this. This is just chicken breast in some basic Indian marination. So it should be fine. I can use it in pasta. It's not like we're gonna make authentic pasta, so it's fine. So I'm gonna use that, and I have some mini penne rigate from Borges. Looks really cute. I also have that, and I have some cheese, some bell peppers in the fridge. So I thought I would make orange sauce pasta with some tomatoes, cheese, little bit of milk, and the chicken and things like that. So yeah, let's make dinner. I think that should be enough, right? I want the tomato a bit more finely, like kind of chunky, but more finely chopped. So I'm gonna do it in this thing. I'm gonna quickly clean all of this up. I'm gonna cook the chicken first in a little bit of oil, just because it takes longer time to cook than the vegetables. I also have some water here for the pasta, to which I'm gonna add some salt. As you can see, the water has come to a boil. I'll be adding the pasta now. Look at this shape. It's so cute. Meanwhile, the chicken has cooked, so I'm gonna take it off heat. I'm gonna keep it aside. By the time the pasta cooks, I'm gonna start making the sauce. So starting with some oil. You can also use butter, but I think oil is fine for me. Lots of garlic. You can use chopped garlic. If you don't like the texture of garlic, you can use mashed garlic. It's up to you. Once the garlic starts getting brown, you can add your veggies now. I'm gonna add everything together. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt so that the veggies cook quickly and they've become translucent. I'm gonna add the tomato that we had chopped earlier. The tomato will add a little bit of a body and also a little bit of tanginess to the sauce, which we all like in pasta. Till the tomatoes become mushy. Gonna cover it up and let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, the bell peppers look cooked and the tomatoes are mushy. Now I'm gonna add some milk to this to make the sauce. I'm gonna add some chili flakes, mixed herbs here, which I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add some cheese to it now. This is the Amul diced cheese. It has mozzarella and cheddar cheese in it. You can add as much or as little cheese you want. If you don't want cheese, you can avoid it completely. It's up to you. As you can see, my sauce has started to thicken. So at this point, I'm gonna add the chicken that I had cooked before. At this point, you can check for salt. Your pasta will already have some salt, so make sure you take that into account before adding too much salt into the sauce. If you feel your sauce is too thick, you can add some of the pasta water. I think it's time to add the pasta. I had drained the pasta once it was cooked, and I'm just gonna pour it in. If you're a vegetarian, you can totally skip the chicken and follow the recipe as it is without any changes. I have some basil here which I'm gonna add. Dinner is ready. I tidied up the kitchen a bit and now I'm gonna go take a shower. I have to take a shower before having dinner. That's a whole thing. I can't eat food without taking a shower. excited. Wait. Do you know what this is?
Chicken pasta.
Yes.
I saw chicken and I saw pasta.
I don't think it turned out very well.
You always say that. Good. I like it.
It's not weird.
No, I'm tasting a lot of Indian flavors, but
Yeah.
it does taste good. I like it.
I'm not my best critic, so I don't know how this is, but he likes it. He's easy to please, so even he is not the best critic for this. But the pasta is well cooked. The chicken is juicy. I'm a little doubtful about the sauce because it has a very distinct Indian taste, which is okay, right?
Yeah.
It's still creamy. It's still rich, very cheesy. It's just a mix of Indian and Italian. When is it not? Pasta in India is always a mix of Indian and Italian. It's never just Italian, right?
So was it not recording?
I swear this is the last task that I have to do for the night, then I can completely relax. I'm gonna do my skincare. It's not very elaborate, it's very simple. Just to make my life easier, I stick with 3 to 4 products. Sometimes I don't even do that. I sometimes just put on a toner and a moisturizer and call it a day. But I always start with toner. I have a little bit of left in this, but I really wanna use this one, so I'm gonna use this one today. So the previous one was Tony Moly Rice Smoothing Toner. This was really good, I loved it. This one is the Ceramide Mochi Toner. Ceramides are really good for repairing your skin barriers, so I'm hoping I love this as well. It's more milky than the rice water toner. It's thicker as well. Once I'm done with the toner, I'll go in with retinol, and I'm gonna start using the minimalist one that I got today. This is the 0.3% minimalist retinol. I was previously using a 0.1% retinol. Going with my favorite moisturizer, this is the Aqualogica 5+ Barrier moisturizer. This is also a barrier repairing moisturizer. This is the Earth Rhythm lip mask. That's it. That's all the skincare I do at night. I'm gonna go relax now. I made some tea for myself. This is spearmint tea. It's non-caffeinated, so it won't affect my sleep or anything. Anyway, I don't think caffeine affects me that much. I don't see much of a difference. It's mostly placebo when it comes to coffee. I just felt like having something warm because I'm still dealing with my allergies, and a warm drink like this kind of helps me with the sneezing and stuff. Also, I'm gonna continue reading Fourth Wing. Yes, I'm still reading Fourth Wing. It's not what I expected. I mean, it's good, but the thing is, when it started, it was really fast. It was exciting, and a lot of things were happening very quickly, and then it kind of died down in the middle. I think the pacing is the issue in this book. It's quick, high stakes, but in the middle it just gets boring and slow, and it felt like I was reading 2 books because the first half was something else and the second half was something else. That's how I felt. I don't know how other people interpreted this book, but this is how I interpreted it. I am about this much done. I still have this much to go, so it's about 100 more pages. I think I'll be done in a night or two. I'll read for another half an hour or so and then go to bed. So I'm just gonna end this video right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've been enjoying these videos and I would love to hear what you think about them. If there's any kind of video that you want to see from me, please leave them in the comments. I will be sure to make them. I really want to do a Q&A, so if you have any questions for me about me, my life, anything, please leave them in the comments, but please be kind. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you again next time. Bye.